Alright, so I'm here inside Mistral's chat interface and I want to mention someone not by using the @ symbol, okay? And as you can see, it won't let me mention people, right? Because I don't have any contact, we can create people, or if we prefer, we can do this from the official website's products section. Go to start building, and it's the same process, okay? So within this section, we'll be creating an AI agent, as we can see. I'm going to call it a test. We can even add a description, alright? Theoretically, only we will have access to this agent, okay? And from here, we can select the model, okay? Theoretically, using the model won't cost us anything. But typically, when we program an agent, is because we're interested in using the AI assistant in an automated way, right? It becomes a bit more complex and we start to depend on spending money. That's why they show us the costs. But for now, we can theoretically use this tool or use these agents within the platform at no cost. So as you can see, they provide us with different models here, right? This one, for example, is developed with NVIDIA and costs 0.14 euros per million tokens. Got it? This one we see is priced at 540 euros per million tokens. It's top tier, high complexity reasoning for advanced tasks, you know, for more complex, sophisticated needs. We don't use Mistral. That's made for high volume cases, okay? It's meant for mass generation, and well, each model has its own description, right? As you can see, there are specialized models like Codesal for coding, this one for text and image, and Saba for Arabic language. Got it? We have various models now, but I can't spend too much time on this. So here we have randomness, which is basically, well, they tell us that the lower the value, the more predictable the results will be, okay? And the higher the value, less predictable. What does this mean? If we don't add randomness, the model will do exactly what we ask without reasoning, but without trying to add its own input. But if we increase it a lot, he'll try to contribute as much as possible. What's best? Well, it depends on our case. On the other hand, we have the typical AI instructions where we specify what we want with all the parameters. The interesting part is we can add a demonstration showing the input, what we'd ask for, and what we'd like as output, okay? And we can keep adding more and more demonstrations, right? We could even create a small data set like a mini example. It's really fascinating. Wow. I'm not sure how many examples it allows, but we've already got quite a few. 27 so far, and that's not all. To test it further, we're told we need to subscribe, okay? But we can test it here. Once done, we hit deploy. It's created. Now let's go to chat. We'll use that and should have access to people, okay? As you can see, I have it here, right? To access it, we need to go to the people section here and select the agent, okay? I've removed the API, but select the chat, all right? You're activating the deployment and we can test it, okay? As you can see, @TS is there now, right? If I type @ it appears. That's how easy it is to create an AI agent with Mistral. And